Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Picsart. So you know how to fix or how to solve offline on Picsart. You should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Picsart. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.